All right, lead word and update time. So I got most of the wiring done. I don't have the drill motor on yet because Logan, the wire you had was actually 12 gauge as opposed to like 16 to 18, so it was way too thick. I have some at home. I think I can grab it this weekend, but no drill for now. But we got the limit switches wired up. One down here, one down there. The two motors. The wiring's a bit messy. I kind of realized there's really not that much spots to kind of tie off the wires, so I've kind of temporarily zip tied it, but we might need to like 3D print some of these components with some spots to house the wires. Like you can see, it's especially bad. I just kind of have this limit switch one hanging out back here. But I mean, for the most part, it works. I've moved it around. Nothing's really getting too caught up. The Nucleo is kind of just temporarily chilling in here. It's not super fastened down, but it doesn't go anywhere, and it's not shorting out onto anything. Buck converter there for the limit switches and whatnot. And I'm just monitoring the motor current through the Y motor for now, just to make sure we're not getting anything too crazy. But works pretty similar to last term, so if I just reset it here, it should home itself. There we go. Gonna hit the Y limit switch. That's gonna go up. It's gonna take a little while. Basically, what I've been modifying this morning is originally the acceleration was based on like a quarter of the time, the movement time. But if you're making a really long move, then it takes forever to get up to speed. So I kind of currently have the acceleration just set as like a certain time, and then if the motor move's gonna take less than that time, it'll go faster. So it's working pretty well. It's off by a factor of 4, but for now it works. I can figure that out later. You can see this cable chain kind of doesn't really like to tuck himself back in. It's not a problem, it doesn't get stuck, just something I noticed. The one up top works pretty well. But we're almost onto our limit switch here. Sweet. It'll back off 5 millimeters in each direction. You can see our state LEDs are like the same as last term. So now we're ready. I have a basic serial demo where you just kind of enter a Y and Z coordinate, and it moves at like a fixed RPM. So let's say we just want to move Y. So there's our current Y and current Z with our coordinate system. So let's just say 50, and we'll keep the Z the same. Hit enter. There goes Y. I can just move Z if I want. So let's keep 50 the same, and let's bring it down to minus 100. Sweet. All right, so let's move both at once. 100. Let's go 0 on Z. Sweet. And that's about where the serial demo's at. I don't have any of the drill stuff in there yet. I probably won't get around to that before the final design review or exams, just with the combination of the coding and wiring, but it works pretty well. We have something to present. So basically, my next steps for today are just to verify the axes are moving the right distance. I think one of my calculations is a little off. I don't think it's quite moving what it should be. Maybe I had the lead in there wrong. I'm not sure. But just get that, the positional accuracy kind of fixed up. Make sure it's repeatable so it's not like losing out as you keep going on. It's not missing and it's slowly like building up an error. And then just some velocity testing as well. Past that, I probably won't get too much further. And then Sunday, I'm basically focusing on the presentation and the report. So that'll probably be about the status of it for the presentation. But if you guys have any questions or want anything else added, let me know.